What if the secret to optimal health isn't found in the latest fad diet or supplement, but in our distant past? In today's world of processed foods and sedentary lifestyles, we've strayed far from our ancestral roots. But there's a growing movement that's looking back to move forward. For over 2.5 million years, our ancestors thrived as hunter-gatherers. Their diet consisted of wild game, fish, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. No processed foods, no refined sugars, no artificial preservatives.
Our bodies evolved over millions of years to process certain types of foods. The agricultural revolution, which happened only about 10,000 years ago, introduced foods our bodies hadn't adapted to process efficiently.
The paleo diet isn't about recreating exact prehistoric meals, it's about applying ancestral wisdom to modern life.
Recent studies have shown multiple benefits of following a paleo-style diet, including improved blood sugar control, better weight management, and reduced inflammation.
When we eliminate processed foods and focus on whole nutrient-dense options, we're not just changing our diet, we're changing our biochemistry.
Ancestral principles to modern life.
The paleo diet encourages sourcing local, seasonal, and sustainably raised foods practices that not only benefit our health, but also support environmental sustainability.
When we choose grass-fed meats and organic produce, we're supporting farming practices that can actually help regenerate our ecosystems.
My energy levels are through the roof. My autoimmune symptoms have improved dramatically.
I've maintained a healthy weight without counting calories.
Let me show you 3 simple paleo meals that anyone can make.
The paleo diet isn't about living in the past, it's about learning from it. By understanding where we came from, we can make better choices about where we're going. In a world of conflicting nutrition advice, sometimes the simplest answer is to look back to move forward. Your ancestors thrived on whole, natural foods, and you can too.